Hi, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to show you some fun, spooky yoga poses. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. So we're going to start with the zombie. Balancing zombie. Witch casting a spell. Twisted Scarecrow. Bat pose. Spider pose. And jump scares. Jump, scare, jump, scare. Witch on a broom. Witch stirring a pot. Witch on a broom. Witch stirring a brew. And back to the zombie. If you try these yoga poses at home with your kids, comment below and let me know how it goes for you. Happy Halloween!